Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts here, and I'm excited to announce a new series that we are starting today. It's a new vlogging series that's going to follow me around on this new journey in the Roberts household, basically. So if you've been following my previous videos, most of you know that my wife has struggled with lupus for the past several months. And that, along with that, comes lots of dietary restrictions and lots of lifestyle changes. So in order to go along that journey with her and to help her along the way, we are making some drastic changes in our household. We're not going on a diet. I'm not using the D word. Diets don't work. This is going to be a lifestyle change. And to be honest, I have struggled recently with the stresses of running my own business, running the practice, just lifestyle stress. I have been bad, really bad on breads, sugars, carbs, all the stuff that you shouldn't be eating. I have been eating like really bad. And at the end of this video, reluctantly, I am going to share with you guys some pictures that I took, kind of a before picture. So hopefully towards the end of this journey, we can do a before and after, and you guys can see the progress that we've made as well. But what we are getting ready to do is our household is switching over to the keto lifestyle, not diet, lifestyle. If you're not familiar with keto or the ketogenic process, it's very similar to the Atkins diet, if you're familiar with that, or paleo. A lot of similarities between that. Basically, we are eliminating sugars and carbs as much as we can. The percentages, if you look it up, it's usually broken down into percentages. It's all about tracking your macros, and those macros are fats, healthy fats, protein, and finally carbs. So we've both decided, my wife and I, we are going to do 75% fats, 20% proteins, and 5% carbs. So that is basically what that's doing is it's transitioning your fuel source, your energy source, from the standard American diet, which is sugars and carbs. And instead of your body running on that as an energy source, it's now going to be running on fats, healthy fats. So I'm super, super excited about it. I'm scared to death. I cannot wait to get started. What have I gotten myself into? No, seriously, guys, in all seriousness, joking aside, we both are super pumped about this because there's got to be a change. Sugars and carbs and certain foods can be a trigger for certain symptoms with lupus, but for me personally, just the fatigue. I've had chronic fatigue, irritability, weight gain, unwanted weight gain, and I work out. I try to work out 3 to 4 days a week, but as I'm getting closer to 40 this year, I've noticed the dad bod is in full effect, and it's not the desirable look. So I'm hoping this isn't a weight loss journey for either one of us, for myself or my wife. Like I said, it is a lifestyle change that we're hoping to just have healthier lifestyles. The weight loss that comes along with this usually is just going to be the cherry on top, so to speak. So along this vlogging series, I'm going to be documenting as much as I can. I'm going to try to upload at least every other day, maybe once a day for a while, depending on how much I can document and film. But along this journey, I'm going to be including recipes that we like, even cheat meals or pretend cheat meals to satisfy that sweet tooth that are healthy. Supplements that you need to be taking along the way, and possibly some workout and fitness advice as well. So if you are interested in this, if you are struggling with weight loss, if you are struggling with chronic fatigue, depression, sleep issues, any of those things that are associated with a high sugar, high carb diet, I am encouraging you, I am challenging you to go along this journey with us. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to bring those into the office. Leave a comment below with your questions. I want you to go on this journey with us because I want you to achieve the same goals that we're going to be achieving. And we're going to be super strict with this. My goal is to go as strict as I can for the next 60 days and to see where I'm at the end of that 60 days. And then if it's not that bad, we're going to continue being strict. If if we're happy with where we're at and we can be lenient with certain areas, we'll probably do that. But you guys know I've preached this from the beginning. If any of you have ever had the nutrition or diet talks with me, I never, ever, ever say that you got to go all in 100%. Because if you do, if you try that to be strict 100% of the time, you're going to fail. It's just the bottom line. You are going to fail. You have to give yourself some leeway, whether that's an 80-20 or a 90-10. Cheat meals, not cheat meals, but you've got to give yourself some leeway, because if you go in full force, chances are you're just going to fail. So don't try to jump in this and just be super, super, super strict. You got to give yourself some leeway. With that being said, if you were going to go on this journey with us, you have to be in the right mind frame. You have to be dedicated to doing this, and you have to believe in yourself. You know, over the years, I've always taken a lot of motivation from music, whether that's back when I played football or back in my wrestling days, or even today, just listening to music in the gym. And there is one song that I have recently just grabbed a hold of, and it's Walk on Water by 30 Seconds to Mars. And there are a couple of lines in that song that really motivate me and have pushed me to get this whole vlogging series started. And that is, do you believe that you can walk on water? Do you believe that you can win this fight tonight? Now, it may seem a little bit cheesy, but that is where your mind has to be if you're going to go on this journey, because you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself and you're just going to try to do this, I promise you, you're going to fail. But if you believe in yourself, if you can look yourself in the mirror and say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to live a healthier lifestyle, I'm going to make a change that's going to prolong my life and improve my quality of life, then you can do this and you will succeed. So I'm challenging all of you watching this. Go along this journey with me. Even if you're not going to do it, follow the vlogs, follow the videos, share these videos as much as you can, guys. Get this out there. I want this to be a huge success. Share this on Facebook, share it on Twitter, wherever your social media is. And I encourage you to believe in yourself and follow me along on this journey. Guys, be looking for the next video. I hope to upload it probably tomorrow, which will be probably day 1 or day 2 of this process. So be on the lookout for that. Share these videos, and I'm going to attach these before pictures. Don't laugh, and I'll see you next time.